I bet the Aces are looking forward to this. We have BGYO in the house!
Woo! 1, 2! Mabuhay! Hello po, ako si Jello.
Ako po si JL.
Hi, my name is Mickey. Hey, si Boy Nate. Hello po, ako po si Akira.
We are BGYO!
Oh, ganun siya. So, hello muna. Ang ganda naman ng greeting nyo. It's very princely. Tapos, eto. So, not gonna lie, when BGYO first came out, it was the pandemic. And I was here. I remember I was here in the studio. And then I saw their logo. I was like, why? What? May bagyo? And literally, they did take the P-pop scene by storm. And ang cute nga yun. Tapos, this is, tama ba? So, ganyan. There, BGYO. Iba naman yan. This is actually easy. So, I was like, okay. So, gano'n. Parang nakikisali ako, no? Ako po yung 6th member nila. Secret 6th member all the way from Hong Kong. But anyway, thank you so much. It's been a long time coming to actually have you. And I was really, parang may konting, ano ba yung sayang in English, Chief? Nasasayangan ako.
Oh, man. Oh, no.
Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yung meron tayong very, ano yung language? Are you Gen Z slang? Hindi naman.
No. Just normal.
Just normal. Oh, gusto ko yan. Okay. Sige. But medyo din ako. So, okay. So, dun tayo sa regular slang lang na, oh man. So, medyo nasayangan ako. I told them about this earlier. And the listeners know this. I was away for 2 weeks in July. Turns out we were breathing the same air. And definitely they were in downtown and I was 30 minutes away from downtown. I could have gone. I could have seen them. We could have eaten food together. Alam niyo yun? But anyway, but still, they're here. Hopefully here in the studio soon. Kung nakikinig ang management, Hong Kong naman, please. Ayan, so may tinitingnan sila on the side. But anyway, welcome and congratulations on your latest single called Trash. So, to start off with Trash, ayan, they're doing the dance
Challenge.
It's a dance challenge. So, yun lang ba yung part na yun?
Yun po yung pinaka,
Highlight.
highlight na part, parang nagka-crumple ng paper, tapos itatapon naman sa trash.
Gusto ko yung si Jello. Parang may dinadamdam si Jello eh.
Ganun niya pag may laman yung...
May laman. Ayan. But then, contrary to the title, yung song, it's so catchy. It's very danceable siya. It's very groovy. Diba? How did you find it first? Nung sinabi, bakit trash? And then, tapos nakita niyo yung lyrics. How did you approach it?
Actually, this song was made last year when we went to the Star Music camp. I was with Akira, so both of us flew to Davao for the music camp, and then the song was made there with international producers and songwriters. One of the songwriters are Greg Schilling, El Campbell, and the producers are Grammy-nominated Tele and Grammy winner Lost Boy. So we had a session there. It was like a 5-day music camp, but we only stayed there for like 3 days. And yeah, so they made the song there while we were in the studio, and then after a few months, dumating na ready na yung song, and then we had a music listening session for our album. Doon nag-start yun. And then, parang we realized that this song talaga is really different, and yung first time namin narinig talaga siya, we know it's a really good song. So.
It is. It's so much fun. And na-mention nga ni Mickey na dalawa lang kayo ni Akira nandun. So, can I say, because according to the article I read, okay, it says here, it was penned about being willing to do anything for love, drawing inspiration from BGYO's feelings towards love. So is this how Mickey and Akira is like when they fall in love?
Oh, well, I think everyone goes through that.
Siguro pagdating ng araw po, pag nakahanap ko siguro naman ng talagang mamahalin mo, you're ready to throw anything away for it.
And I think it's not just about loving a person. It could be loving something, family or something that you do or passionate about.
How about si Jello, si JL, si Nate?
Actually, yun nga po, pwede nga po siyang hindi lang sa sa love life, pwede rin po sa aming BGY. Nung pumasok kami ng BGY, talagang itatabi mo lahat, itatapon mo lahat, like yung bonding mo with other friends or yung time mo sa family. So yun yung parang isa-sacrifice mo pag pumasok ka sa ganitong klaseng group. Pero meron ng worth it naman lahat ng mga yun dahil magagawa mo din naman siya after pag nagkaroon na ng medyo maluwag na schedule.
Ayun. Nagkaroon na ba kayo ng maluwag na schedule?
Meron naman.
Nakapagpahinga naman po kayo.
Nakakapagpahinga naman. How about celebrating holidays?
Yes.
Yes po, nabibigyan naman kami ng chance.
Yes,
It's been 3 years since BGYO debut, 2000.
Yes, 3 years or
Almost 4 years. January.
Almost 2 years old tayo.
Yes. At pang-apat na sa next year.
Next January.
Pang-apat na. Oh wow. So we're looking forward to that. Congratulations. Wow. And imagine they're pandemic babies. Ang daming pandemic baby. Even as a group. And how did you storm through? I like that word, storm through, because BGYO. How did you storm through the pandemic since debut up until now?
Since debut, we stormed through by we trusted in each other and our team, our BGYO team. We believed that we would make it no matter what, and we just focused on what we had in front of us, like our training and the songs we have to work on and what we have to improve.
Yeah, napapa-English din ako sa kanila bigla. Ito ba yung... Is this because of the song, Trash? This is definitely different. It's very Western. Si Jello, kailangan marinig natin yung boses. Oo. So Jello, when you started practicing for the song and started recording, what did you have to go through? Kasi it's different from the past songs.
Pinaka-challenge namin when recording tsaka pag-produce ng song na to is yung kasi bihira na naman kami magkaroon ng English song. May mga English songs kami before, like When I'm With You, Be Us, He's Into Her. Pero ito, syempre gusto namin i-perfect talaga kasi ang goal naman namin ever since is to go global, not just in the Philippines. And buti na lang nagkaroon kami ng help from sila Sir Greg and yung mga ibang part ng team na gumawa ng song na to para ma-record namin ng maayos when it comes to diction, yung tamang atake sa pagkanta, ayan. Then kami lahat, tulong-tulong rin kami kung may gusto kaming ibigay na help. Like si Nate, kasi siya yung pinaka-English speaker sa group. So, ay natutulungan namin isa't isa.
Oh, that's so cool. Kaya pala si Akira was like, siya. And then the dance. How did you guys come up with the dance?
Yung dance namin,
we had a lot of time. We had a lot of time when it comes to the dance.
Yeah, and tulong-tulong po yung Filipino coaches natin na sa team sila na nag-come up with it.
And nakakatuwa kasi there's a lot of revisions during the making of the
Ang dami.
So, pero worth it naman lahat ng revisions kasi it's for the, for the group. Tsaka para din dun sa audience. Ayun.